Hi there, I'm Yanni with WTI, and today I'm showing you my favorite kids multivitamins. So these are the Hello Bello organic kid multivitamins, and I have to tell you, these things are delicious. So I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and they both love these vitamins. I have tried them myself, and they are very, very tasty. The one thing that I notice a big difference between these vitamins and other brands is that they're not extremely chewy and hard to swallow. They're very, very soft, and the flavor is just fantastic. So I'll show you what they look like. So you get 60 multivitamins, which is a great size. So these would be the size of the multivitamin. And I have to say, small detail, but to me it makes a difference. I really like that it has a nice and wide mouth. So they're really easy to grab, no problem at all. I love that the ingredients are fantastic. You don't have to worry about harmful things that you don't want in vitamins. They're very safe, wonderful vitamins that the whole family is going to enjoy. I may or may not eat them myself once in a while. A fantastic product. I definitely recommend it for the whole family, and that is my point of view.